How to mix for the glow surface using the new semi-color activator bottle. Begin by turning on the scale and measuring 1 part semi-color activator. Don't forget to give that activator a gentle roll to help with pouring. Next, you'll mix 1 part of the semi-color shade of your choice. Last but not least, you'll use 1 part aftercolor balsam. Screw back on the applicator nozzle, place your finger over top of the applicator hole, and begin to shake. Pause halfway through shaking to lightly press on the bottle to release air before continuing to shake until mixture is complete. Apply your semi-color glow mixture to damp hair, massaging through from scalp to ends. The glow treatment can process for 5, 10, or 20 minutes. Here is the before and after 20 minutes using semi-color glaze honey with the glow treatment.